Most Amazon Flex drivers pick the wrong cash advance app because they only look at how fast they can get money. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is how the app handles gig income, repayment timing, and hidden fees. And in 2026, choosing the wrong app can make your financial situation even worse. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for Amazon Flex drivers, which apps work best for gig workers, and the smartest way to use them without getting trapped in constant repayments. Let's start with the biggest issue Amazon Flex drivers face. Income can fluctuate every single week. One week you grab high-paying delivery blocks. The next week, there are fewer offers available. That inconsistency makes traditional lenders nervous, which is why many drivers struggle to qualify for financial products. One of the top apps for Amazon Flex drivers in 2026 is Empower. Many gig workers prefer it because the app focuses heavily on banking activity and recurring deposits instead of traditional employment verification. So if Yake delivers consistently and receives regular payouts into the same account, Empower may approve advances, even without a standard paycheck. But here's the problem. Most new users think they'll immediately qualify for large advances. That almost never happens. Most apps begin with smaller amounts and slowly increase limits over time based on your income patterns and repayment history. Another strong option is Moneylion. It's popular because eligible users can unlock higher advance limits over time, especially with consistent deposits. For example, Alex completes Flex routes 5 days a week and keeps stable deposits flowing into his bank account. That consistency can help increase available advances later. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps are designed specifically for freelancers and gig workers instead of traditional employees. Apps like Grid and Giggle Finance have become more popular because they better understand irregular income patterns from delivery work. And for Amazon Flex drivers, that flexibility matters a lot. This is where most people fail. They use cash advances for random spending instead of work-related emergencies. A smart use might be replacing a damaged tire before a busy delivery weekend, or covering fuel costs to keep accepting routes. A bad use is relying on advances for everyday shopping or entertainment. And there's another hidden issue many drivers ignore. Instant transfer fees. Paying extra every time you want money immediately can quietly destroy part of your weekly earnings. Small convenience fees may not feel serious at first, but over time, they add up fast. In a minute, I'll show you the safest strategy experienced gig workers follow. The best approach is treating cash advance apps as temporary emergency tools, not regular income. Use them only when they help you continue earning money through deliveries. So which app is best overall for Amazon Flex drivers in 2026? If you want easier approval with gig income, Empower is one of the strongest options. If you want potentially larger advanced limits and extra financial features, Moneylion stands out. And if your income comes entirely from freelance work, gig-focused apps may fit your needs better. The key is choosing an app that supports your delivery work instead of creating more financial pressure later. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite cash advance app for gig work. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best instant cash advance apps with no hidden fees in 2026.